Bundy's beer. And there's the list of the teams. I got them copied over here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, what freaking team are we missing here? Charlie's team. Hold on, I screwed up. Kissing TDs. Swing, flaxen, waxen. So we gotta go back to the standings for last year. Flaxen Waxen was 7th. Just ahead of me. So we're going in order of the standings from last year, but then the two new teams are on the bottom. So we got all 12. Brian Sexton was the champ last year. Chris Michael second. Charlie DeColo is in third. Mike Sexton fourth. And Paul Johnson. So here we go. Let's do her. This is for the draft order for this year. Get logged into random. Hopefully Schwing gets last. What's up, Chavez? Booze. It's got nothing to do with the break room, Christian. It's for our fantasy football draft. All right, random. Multi-round. New giveaway. Bundy's beer. All right, 12 entries. We'll roll the dice. 10 rounds. Here we go. As long as Schwing gets last, we'll all be happy. Fourth round, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Final round. Perez, first pick. John gets second. Mike Sexton, third. DeCola, fourth. Schwing, fifth. Paul Johnson, sixth. Sexton, seventh. Brett, 8. Wehinkle, 9. Longfellow, 10. Chris Michael, 11. And I bring up the fucking last goddamn pick. Son of a bitch. Wait. My screen's not sharing. This worked out great.